you guys can't see good, but there's two big bulls up there raising a ruckus. No, he's on the right. Son of a gun. Getting his ladies together. No. That's not nice.
Get the hell out of here. That makes Where is she?
Well, we're back up today. It's blustery and about 37 degrees. So, here we go. We made it. It is windy. It's blustery. Okay, so you can't really see how tiny these plants are, but these are the ones that we're in the tundra right now. So these take literally like 100 years to grow. And to me, that's pretty amazing. You can see some that have some more flowers. Others. Look at all these little tiny plants. There's all kinds of different ones up here. And then it's like it's a rock field in the tundra. So we're done at the Alpine Visitor Center, and now we're back down on Fall River Road, which we've never done before. We came on the dually on the dually, right?
Yeah, we turned around down there.
And we turned around back there because we thought, oh my gosh, it's too narrow for us. Well, it's too narrow because it's just one way. You can only go 15, which I'd like to go even slower. But there, of course, are no guardrails, and you have to be careful about the sides and falling off the edge, and slow bicycles that are going to hold everybody up.
Riding down the middle of the road.
And not getting out of anybody's way. And jeez, honey, don't creep up on people. They can't go any faster than those stupid bicycles. So I will record some of the cooler stuff on this road. We hear that there's some really neat stuff. There was a moose in back of us, but there were so many cars piled up and people behind us, we didn't stop to see where it was. Because we got lucky enough with our bull moose this morning.
Well, I think he hit it back into the brush right away.
Yeah. So there's switchbacks on here. It's relatively rough because of all the traffic. But heck. There weren't so many people back here. Well, part of the reason there's a lot of people, I have a feeling, is because somebody posted how great it is for wildlife on the Rocky Mountain National Park page yesterday. So this was our intent to get here, we wanted to be here hours ago already, but that's okay.
There's too much we saw on the other side.
Yeah, we were very fortunate watching that bull moose this morning.
And the big bull elk.
And the bull elk, and watching him tussle with another one, and that was way too much fun.
We went up to the top of the mountain.
Yep, and then we walked up to the top at the Alpine Visitor Center. Went through our first switchback. And we're going to go through another one. I don't know if we'll make this turn. We may have to back up for this one. Dualies are not known for making tight turns. And this is going to be one of them. But not much. That was pretty good, actually. Oh God, now it's getting really narrow. Jesus.
This wasn't nothing like a Jeep trail when we were driving on.
Yeah, well, we were on that with a Jeep, not with a dually. And somebody died on that trail. 3 somebodies.
A lot more than that.
The day after we left. This is Chasm Falls we're about to go see. That's where we were, and that's where we're going. Maybe I should have brought my sticks. I have a feeling it's going to be crowded because there's a little tour Jeep group plus everybody else. Slow and easy wins the race.
Highway 7 Allen Park.
There we go. There. I love it.
Business district, it's more second, activated, and you get water restricted. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Whiskey.
Usually rushing water. 3, 2, 1. You got a really good camera on this phone.
You're an expert, man. So this road is only open a few months of the year. And of course it's weather dependent. But this will give you a general idea as far as how much room you'll have. Any vehicles over 25 feet are not allowed back here. And frankly, I personally would not take like a Class C back here. I don't care how long it is. Because it gets pretty narrow in some spots. Rocks are sticking out, you know, the cliffs and stuff. And then now you're starting to see the big rocks up above, so I'll see if I can get you to see that up there, which is really pretty. But I'm sure we'll get a better view of it in a little while. But you get all kinds of different habitats where you're first, you know, you're on the side of a cliff, and next you're in the forest. But what goes down must come up, so I'm sure as far as we're going down now, we're going to be going right back up because we're going up to the Alpine. There's the...
We're still going up, honey.
Are we going up yet?
Yeah.
Oh. Here, right around this corner, I'll get you a good shot of the mountain.
If you can hold it lower where the windshield wiper is cleaner.
There. Rock field.
That's the
roads are. Stay to the left more, please.
I'm trying to miss all the big holes.
I would rather be in the holes.
This Niagara Lake.
Nope, not even close.
See 3 roads right below me.
Okay, I don't want you to watch below you. I want you to watch in front of you.
Okay. Details.
Especially where it's incredibly narrow.
And then there's big holes.
And there's some snow right up there. A lot of people ask if this road is scary. Well, it's no more or less scary than going to the Sun Road or going to Imogene Pass. Oh, stellars. I was getting excited. I thought it was one of those Lewis's woodpeckers. Or what else? What other narrow road have we gone on?
Imogene Pass.
Oh yeah, Imogene Pass, but I think I may have said that.
Or the roads down in Georgia.
Yeah, the roads in Georgia are really narrow.
This road's pretty wide. This is a piece of cake. It's one way.
So far with the dually, we've had to back up, 3 or 4 times for switchbacks, and we'll be doing that again on this one. This one's really tight too. But, you know, that's the way it goes. And just an FYI, you see all of these dead pine trees. Those are all caused by the pine beetle. It's an invasive species that came over from Asia. And yeah, it's doing lovely things to all of our beautiful pine trees.
National Forest.
In every national park, it seems to be happening. They're trying to find trees that are resistant to the beetles, but they're still kind of researching all of that yet. Did you want to walk the dogs right here? That seems like that's a pretty big spot. And there's the Alpine Visitor Center, backside of